If your Chevy Traverse is sitting dead in the driveway, don't panic. Most starting issues follow a very specific pattern. Statistically, nearly half of all no-start calls for the Traverse end up being a simple battery failure or terminal corrosion. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to pinpoint exactly why your engine isn't turning over. Always start with the basics like battery health and ensuring the shifter is fully seated in the park position. If your lights are bright but you hear a single click, your starter motor is likely the culprit. If the engine cranks but won't fire, you're likely looking at a fuel delivery or sensor timing issue. Know when to handle it yourself and when it's time to call for a professional tow to the shop. Repair costs vary wildly, from a simple battery swap to more expensive fuel system overhauls. Sometimes a simple security system reset can get your Traverse back on the road without spending a dime. Keep these 3 tools in your garage to make future troubleshooting significantly faster. A little bit of preventative maintenance on your battery connections can save you hundreds in towing fees. Check your battery first, and if you found this helpful, subscribe for more automotive troubleshooting playbooks.